Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have done about trends in physical properties. Today, we will study about trends in chemical properties like valency or metallic non-metallic character. You know, in a group, valency is same. What is valency? Valency is defined as a number of electrons in the outermost shell or combining capacity of an atom. In the group, valency is same. In period, it first increases then decreases to 0. And valency of noble metal is 0 because they have fulfilled octet. So trends in periodic table, the valency first increases then decreases from left to right in a period, and in a group, valency remains the same. Now metallic character and non-metallic character. Metallic character is the tendency of an element to lose electron, and non-metallic character corresponds to the tendency of an element to gain electron. You know, in a group, size increases and the tendency of an element to lose electron increases because ionization energy decreases in a group. So metallic character increases down the group due to increase in atomic size, and in a period metallic character decreases. So reactivity of metal decreases from left to right and increases from top to bottom. Now basic character of oxides increases down the group due to increase in electropositive character. Electropositive means tendency to lose electron, and decreases along a period. Non-metallic character is a tendency of an element to accept electrons to form an anion. You know, in a group, tendency to form a positive ion increases. So in a period, tendency to form positive ion decreases and tendency to gain electron increases. So in a period, non-metallic character increases and in a group, metallic character increases. The element having high electronegativity have higher tendency to gain electrons and forms anion. So the elements in the upper right hand portion of the periodic table are electronegative or non-metallic in nature. Now some questions. N3 negative, or consider the following species. What is common in them? You know, N3 negative, nitrogen atomic number is 7, 3 electron gain, so 10. O2 negative, 16, 8 plus 2, 10. F negative, 9 plus 1, 10. 11 minus 1, 10. 12 minus 2, 10. 13 minus 3, 10. So these are isoelectronic species. They have same number of electrons. Now we have to arrange them in increasing ionic order. You know, the ionic radii of cation is smaller than radii of anion. So first we will arrange the anions, then we will arrange cations, and the greater the nuclear charge, lesser will be atomic radii. So Al3 positive will have the lesser atomic radii. You can see ionization energy, how it varies in a period. It increases from left to right in a period. Electron affinity increases from left to right in a period. Atomic size increases from top to bottom in a group, and atomic size decreases from right to left in a decreases from right to left in a period. Electron affinity decreases from top to bottom, and ionization energy increases from top to bottom in a group. Metallic character increases from top to bottom in a group, and non-metallic character increases from left to right in a period.